How to add education on your Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add education to your Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Once you are there, click on me at the bottom to go to your profile. Once you are here, click on edit up there and you're gonna find those options. Scroll down and click on more information, and here you're gonna find the second option, which is education. Click on add. Now if you are on school, you can enter your school name. If you are graduate, tell Likee when you graduate. When you are done, click on save and go back. You're gonna find those information on your Likee profile. Easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.